Welcome to this Plasma system. It's installed with Kiro. Then you go to the ATT, and ATT is the ArchLinux Tweak Tool. Just type in tweak. There's two things to tweak: the Alacrity Tweak Tool and the ArchLinux Tweak Tool. Our Plasma looks a bit different than other Plasmas, and there's a reason for that, right? This is black. Why? There's always a reason, and the reason is we start with XFCE. XFCE is the default desktop. That one needs to look awesome out of the box, right? So if we install a desktop like Plasma, it's a full-fledged, big, lots of applications kind of desktop, right? We tell you, warning, getting rid of it is not easy. So we just remove it because we want to warn you. It's a one-way operation, same for GNOME. When you install, we have added a little text here. Important, Plasma theming. So the black thing, right? Your etc environment sets variables that override Plasma's own theme. If you go to look at the ArchWiki, how to make all the applications look unified, Qt together with GTK, right? How they do not, they shouldn't collide, but in the end, they are different pathways of development, so they do. So there is a way that we prevent it to, that these apps look differently. And it's in here, etc environment. Put a hashtag in front of these lines, then log out, back in. These three lines don't match up, will not work. Influence, as you can see, this one, right? The design of some of these elements, sometimes you see it immediately. I don't think this should be black. I don't think this should be black, right? These are certain pieces in your system are different. So remove this. And do you want to continue? Just remember, if you're going to go to Plasma, you need to do an action. I'm not going to put a button in there because then we mess up XFCE. Again, a message to tell you, do that if you really want to have the Plasma experience as it should be. And we've made it simple. It's been there for years. You type n environment, enter. Alt-R for me, AZERTY keyboard, hashtag, 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 woo, hashtag, Control X, yes, done, right? Reboot, it's done. Control your system, know where to override it. We've explained it twice on the ATT. And now when you reboot, you'll see you have a complete white Plasma the way it should be. All right, cheers.